I have lost you. I don't like that. Will you marry me? I hunt people for all eternity. I have been programmed to desire your image. Oh, no. I am looking for you. I am coming, ready or door, here I come. I see you, friend.
Detention for you. You should know better. You should know 45 seconds. You should know 45 seconds. No drinking 99 seconds. No drinking 99 seconds. No 99 seconds. No drinking 99 seconds. No 99. Detention for you. You should know better. When will you learn? Your parents will hear about this one. No eating food in the halls. No eating food in the halls. No escaping detention in the halls. No looking in other people's lockers in the halls. No entering school faculty only rooms in the halls. 15 seconds. 30 seconds. 45 seconds. 60 seconds. 99 seconds. No drinking drinks in the halls. No stabbing people with pencils in the halls. No bullying in the halls. No breaking the fourth wall in the halls. No running in the halls. No running in the halls. No making a game in college in the hall.
Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's right. Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks. Now all you need to do is... You need to collect 2 notebooks before you can use these doors. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. That's right. Plus, minus, times, divided by, equals, problem 1, problem 2, problem 3. You're doing fantastic. Problem 1. You're doing fantastic. press the enter key on your keyboard and you'll get to the right answer. That's right. Congratulations. Press all 7 notebooks. Can you do it? Just type the correct answer. Just type. Just type. That's right.
Looks like it's sweeping time. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep. Gotta sweep, sweep, sweep.
Give me something great. What? No items. No items. No pass. I'm gonna take your candy. Thanks for the generous donation. I'll take that. It's mine now. I want those sticks.
One, two, three, four, five. Let's play. So broken knives in a row. Once you do, I let you go. Tee. One, two, three, four. Oops, you messed up. Let's try again. From the top, right now. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 8, 7, 10, 9. Wow, that's great. Let's play again. Sometime soon. Ooh, that makes me sad. I want to play with someone. Ooh, I want to make someone sad.
Will you marry me for all eternity?
No entering the halls. No entering the halls. Candy.
I have them looking for eternity.
Nope. In the halls. Nope. In the halls.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. That's me.
I need to survive. Get away from this freaky guy. Feel like I'm gonna die. Baldi's standing there just saying hi.
Hi.
He wants me to do.